Is Elevenlabs telling you about unusual activity, leaving you locked out of your voice cloning fun? Let's get you back on track in this quick guide to fixing those pesky alerts. First, and most importantly, change your password immediately. Head over to the Elevenlabs website and click on the Forgot Password link. Use a strong, unique password. Think at least 12 characters, with a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Write it down somewhere safe. Next, check your email for any notifications from Elevenlabs about suspicious login attempts. If you find one, even if you've already changed your password, contact Elevenlabs support right away. They can investigate further. If you're using the Elevenlabs API, regenerate your API key. Go to your profile settings on the Elevenlabs website, find the API key section, and generate a new one. Make sure to update your code or applications with the new key immediately and delete the old one. Now, seriously consider enabling multi-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a code from your phone or another device in addition to your password, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Finally, if the unusual activity persists, reach out to Elevenlabs support directly. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation and help you secure your account effectively. You can usually find a help or contact us link at the bottom of their website.